Well, a very good evening. Welcome to this special broadcast from the Tribune Network. I'm Rohit Bhan. We were discussing an important story, the luncheon meeting between Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh and also former Cabinet Minister Navjot Singh Sidhu. The luncheon meeting is expected to take place tomorrow, and many believe there are speculations that this could pave the way for the entry of Mr. Sidhu back into the cabinet, and in the process, the bickering within the party could come to an end. There's a lot of speculations, a lot of expectations from this meeting, which is going to take place tomorrow. I'm joined by my senior colleague Rajmeet Singh from the Punjab Bureau on this meeting and the agenda. Thank you so much, Rajmeet, for joining us on this special broadcast. First, about this meeting, what are we expecting tomorrow?
Good evening, Rohit. Once again, we are discussing Sidhu. It's a very important development which is happening. It's within a matter of I would say, in November last year, they had the first dinner after Sidhu, resigned from the cabinet.
Right.
So nothing much happened. Then there was again stalemate. There was silence. Now the Chief Minister, suddenly we came to know yesterday that he has invited him for lunch at his farmhouse in its place. So we are expecting that something positive or important will happen regarding Sidhu, because earlier it was being believed that something was going to happen on 14th of March, immediately after the session regarding Sidhu, but that did not happen. So the Chief Minister was off for a vacation to his some place in Himachal Pradesh. Is back yesterday. So now the lunch has been fixed for tomorrow, and most importantly, the government has completed 4 years in office today, 16th of March. Right. So we are seeing all these possibilities, joining together to have something constructive for the party, so that this stalemate ends.
Right. Yeah. And also, Rajmeet, we have seen a lot of acrimony between the two in the last few months. Mr. Sidhu, relentlessly tweeting cryptic messages, which are indicative that he was not happy with what was happening. His YouTube broadcast indicative that he clearly was upset. And also reports emerging that he was perhaps eyeing the PCC chief post. All of that doesn't seem to be happening. So what happened in the last maybe a month or few days which led to this meeting being organized, the role of Mr. Harish Rawat, perhaps many speculating. Tell us, how did we come to this stage that the two have agreed for a meeting?
So you have to understand and the background, the Punjab Affairs in charge, Harish Rawat.
Right.
He has been very instrumental. He has been pushing for rehabilitation of Sidhu in the mainstream politics in Punjab Congress. So last week also he was with the Chief Minister. Next day met Sidhu at Punjab Bhavan. So we were seeing the body language between the two leaders. He has arguments, though he did not share anything with us. Right. But we could make out that the things are slowly inching towards the solution.
Right.
So it's basically Mr. Rawat who has played a key role, and moreover, the Chief Minister also understands that that Sidhu is important for them in the run up to the 2022 elections.
Right. So has there a roadmap been defined on the role of Mr. Sidhu? Will he be just part of the cabinet, or the party sees a role beyond just a cabinet minister for Mr. Sidhu?
See, at this moment, various permutation and combinations. So, because the government has not officially, or the Chief Minister has officially so far, shared the roadmap for Sidhu. But the political permutations and combinations within the party, what are going on, that I can share with you. First of all, first is rehabilitation of Sidhu as a cabinet minister.
Right.
The Chief Minister is offering him his old department, local bodies, where he can take power. That he has been telling his colleagues. Second is elevating him, giving him a seniority of a deputy CM. In that situation, in that scenario, two very crucial points come into existence. That is, balance out the Hindu and the Dalit face in the cabinet. So, because the elections are coming, Dalits have more than 35% vote share in the Punjab politics, and in cabinet also there is internal, some discussion going on about the Dalit regarding giving more representation to Dalits in the Punjab cabinet.
Right.
So unofficially they have secretly they have met in the past few months and weeks that if our person should also be elevated in the cabinet or in the PCC.
Right.
So the entire scenario, I believe the chief minister, has been in politics for long. The entire scenario has to be, seen within this framework
Right.
of the vote and caste and region politics.
Right.
So the final outcome will be according to that.
Okay. And also, any leads perhaps on the next PCC president? I mean, are we hearing something on the party rejig, whether, a Dalit face, as you had been mentioning earlier, perhaps a Dalit face would be brought in as the party president? Anything on that, Rajmeet?
First of all, first thing was, PCC, name of Navjot Sidhu as PPC president. Right. If that does not happen, I think then, the more focus should be on the cabinet reshuffle or cabinet department changing and deputy CM or other issues. Then I think PCC president would be pushed to the background at the moment because the focus is on Sidhu. We are discussing Sidhu. So if Sidhu remains cabinet, then the PCC president is, out of question for the moment.
Right.
So that was a concern that the chief minister did not want him to appoint him as the PCC chief. He said that we have more senior leaders in the Congress. In a way, he was indicating that many are in the queue.
Right.
So the things are working towards, bringing Sidhu in the cabinet in whatever position they want.
Right. And also, have we heard anything from Mr. Sidhu's side? Is he happy? I mean, is he willing, eager to attend tomorrow's luncheon meeting? If you remember, last time he had skipped that meeting, that lunch that the Chief Minister hosted for his granddaughter's marriage function. That Mr. Sidhu had skipped. What are the sources close to Mr. Sidhu saying? Is he eager for tomorrow's meeting, or there's still something which we are missing out?
There is no word as such from Sidhu, but he has been towing the party line. For the last few weeks, you must see that he did attend the budget session. He spoke on issues targeted Akali Dal. But officially there is no word. I think we will have to wait. But certainly one thing is very clear: he has become smarter and wiser, and learned the Congress ways. In the past. So the decision, whatever decision he takes, I think those factors would contribute to it.
Well, thank you so much, Rajmeet, for those details. There's going to be no end to this Navjot Singh Sidhu saga. Tomorrow, again, the meeting happening. There will be a lot of speculations over the outcome of this meeting and what happens next, whether they will actually frame out the roadmap for the party. That remains to be seen once the meeting happens and the decision is taken. You can log on to our website, tribuneindia.com, for more details, for more news and updates. We'll keep tracking this story tomorrow as well. We'll also provide you updates on other news stories. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.